low C harmonica,
Yes.
does it follow the full map of a normal C harmonica?
Yes.
Just a lower octave, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's okay. I don't.
So hole one on the normal harmonica is hole 4 in the low C. So you've got an extra octave below. Those 3 are what's missing from the normal C harmonica.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's a good choice. Why did you get a low C harmonica?
Because I thought anything I could play in with the C harmonica, I could play on a low C harmonica.
And when did you find out that that was not the case?
Yeah, when it came, just trying to get a bend there on that lower octave is incredibly difficult.
It is. So just bending like 4 draw on the normal harmonica. Oh, go the other way. Hole 1 on the normal C. That's the same. It's the same reed length. Much harder on the low C. Almost impossible and a little bit painful. I can't do it. I could if I practiced.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, practicing.
However, so the draw bending gets harder when the reeds get longer, in other words, the pitch is lower. However, the opposite is true with blow bending. So when you're blow bending, on, say, take on hole 8 on the normal C, on the low C, there's so much more room to play with. It's beautiful. Sounds like a cello. And then 9 on the normal C, but on the low C, loads of room to play with. And 10, so whereas a phrase like sounds a bit squeaky on the C and on the normal one, that was just blowing, no drawing there.
Yeah, sounds good.
But it's really nice. If you've got a normal C, get a low C if you fancy it. It's really good to mess around with. The other thing you can do is you can be doing a bit of you can use the 2 of them in the same song. You might, if you're playing in a blues, for example, you might, if you get 2 lots of 12 bars as a solo, the first solo might be sort of all down there, and then when you get your next one, or you might do this one, might do the low one first and the high one second. I would do the low one first, and I would have the band quieten down. So finished on 4 draw, swapped over to 1 draw, and trying to get it seamless. you know.
Yeah, sounds great. Sounds great.
So yeah, definitely good to. I got a low G. Where's my normal G? The low G. It's a little bit crazy, but I really like it. It just does different stuff. I think also at Sonny Boys, Neil has got in some East Top bass, a small East Top pocket bass. I don't know if anybody's ever seen one. Have anybody seen one? Tom will have one, won't he? You haven't got one, Tom? We should get one in. It's an East Top pocket bass. I think there's one left on his website, Sonny Boys website. Sonny Boys Music Store .uk, I believe. Well, that's not a pocket bass, but it's a Suzuki. Is it called a tenor or a bass or something?
It's in the same register as a cello.
Ah, beautiful, lovely. Yeah, it's all good, isn't it?
Give us a tune then, Tom.
Yeah, come on, let's hear it.
Well, I haven't warmed it up. I haven't warmed it up, but well,
Never mind. I think there's a ship just pulled in and heading into Portsmouth or Plymouth even. That's the highest note.
there you go.
Beautiful. I've got an app that tells me what boats are out here in the sea. There's lots of boats just outside here. I've got an app that tells me. I didn't realise it was Tom.
Yeah.
What's the bend like on hole 1, Tom?
You're a crazy man, Ed. Get out of here. Right, Tom, you had a question.